And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate waltz choreography with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now let's see once again same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with traveling Contra check, which we finish in promenade position. From here we dance open natural turn, and then Chasse roll to right, and in the corner we dance back Whisk. From Whisk position we continue with big top, and then double reverse spin. We continue with bounce Fallaway, and then quick side cross. Very good. Now let's see once again from opposite direction, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall. So we start with traveling Contra check, moving diagonally to wall. Now in promenade position we move in same direction with open natural turn. Now we move down line of dance with Chasse roll to right, and into corner with back Whisk. From here we move diagonally to center with big top. We continue in same direction with double reverse spin. Now we move down line of dance with bounce Fallaway, and down line of dance with quick side cross. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.